Okay. I think it's never the best lighting down here, man. But I have a staying in a house with a basement, and in the basement area, we got the home office. It's a very nice area. It's pretty spacious in this house, or whatever, with 4 bedrooms and such. Pretty nice. But it's been in the family for quite some time. All right, my name is Sahib. I'm the average guy. The guy that just, hey, you know, I'm just anybody can do the same things that I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure they can do it 10 times better. Um, Look at me, you know. I'm sitting here in my t-shirt, some shorts on, some slippers on, and that's just what I do. Today's a gloomy day outside, Um, you know, uh, Today is just one of those days. I woke up and wound up having a small little debate, a little falling out with my girlfriend, and we're working that out right now, as we speak. But I'm just telling you these things because I just want you guys to know that I'm an average guy. Like, it's type of things that anybody in life is going through. I'm not your commercial guy. I'm not your salesman type of guy. It's just I came across an opportunity and it's actually been working well for me. As I'm debating with my girlfriend, I'm getting sales like things I didn't even look at the phone. I was on a computer and I wasn't looking at the computer. I was on the phone, and I happened to see my email, and boom, I'm getting sales on eBay. Like, boom, 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 this item sold. And that's been happening. That's just ever since I joined DS Domination, that's happened. Like, it's really, DS Domination has been a big help. But what this video is about right now is my personal review on DS nomination because of course everything has its pros and everything has its cons, and I'm telling you for a fact there's cons, but it don't have to necessarily do with DS domination and DS domination's tools. It's the fact that you're more likely gonna have to keep up on top of the things that are happening with your eBay account. All right, your eBay and the other sources that you may be using to dropship to eBay. All right. DS Domination provides best sources or whatever to get your products and best deals and the best training and best support. They did they support groups. I swear to you, it's a unit of prosperity. It's one of the biggest groups with over 16,000 people, successful people at that. All right, part of their team, and I'm an affiliate of that team myself. Also, I'm building my own team, DS Dominators, and taking the guidelines to UOP and putting it into my own foundation for my team. All right, because I'm the type of person I like to build from the bottom up. But the flip side is when you're dealing with eBay and PayPal. In the beginning stages, there is a 90-day probation period. All right. The 90-day probation period makes it a bit difficult unless you have some form of income or somebody that can let you hold money as you go, which, like it is in my case, I'm blessed to have a couple of people who was able to help me, you know, offset a couple of, level out a couple of costs to certain things as they came. As I got sales, if I didn't have the money myself, I could be like, hey, listen, let me get this real quick and get this out the way. All right, so that helped out, but in case you don't have that, at least if you got a job, this would definitely be the best thing for you because once you get past that probation period, the probation period is a stretch. It's a 90-day period, but it's really this company is really worth it. You have to get in here at some point because that probation period is going to be there. But once you get past that probation period, it is nothing but upward mobile after that. All right. I already know that, you know, the I'm not past my probation period just yet, but I already know what to expect with my probation period is up because, all right, I'm doing so well with pretty much putting in and covering the cost of these products as I send it out to the buyer on eBay. Already, I'm doing so well. I'm getting sales left and right. So imagine when my probation period is up and the money is immediately available to me where I don't have to wait for it to clear with PayPal. It's automatically cleared instantly, and I could just use that money to, purchase the item from my source and send it to the buyer on eBay. That's going to be all profit. All profit. You understand? It's not going to be me putting in first to get it out. It's all profit immediately. And that's the stage I can't wait to get to. But it's a rocky road in the beginning, And then not to mention, all right, that's a con. That's a con with on the eBay PayPal side. But then you have a con on the Amazon side or the other sources that you're using. But sometimes you're dealing with suppliers who they take a while to get to be delivered. All right, they might be shipped out, but the delivery is just really like 20 days. So you really have to look out for those type of things too. But it's great business. All right, it's a great business. All right. DS Domination is definitely the best tool I've ever ran across because it's really just I've dealt with a lot of network marketing uh, opportunities. I've dealt with a lot of companies online, make money online type of things. And really, this is the best because I do not have to focus on recruiting anybody. All right, that becomes a hassle because there's so many people think everything is a scam. Like even with Motor Club of America, I love that company, but even Facebook is against you posting up links on the wall now. You can't even post up links to Motor Club of America on Facebook now, and for a fact, Motor Club of America is not a scam. I've gotten paid very well from it. It gets to the point where there's so many people thinking that things are scams, and then there's so much against you that it becomes a problem. All right, and you can't really market it. It's hard to market it. All right, unless you already have a strong following. So the best thing in my opinion, my strong educated opinion based off of me dealing with these opportunities, the best thing is to get with something that is like DS Domination, which I don't see anything else like DS Domination so far. But get with something like DS Domination that you don't have to focus on recruiting, but if you do build yourself a downline, these guys can all make money. They got a cost offset model where they can make money as soon as they get down with this company without having to recruit anybody. Get these people comfortable with the opportunity to make money. They're seeing that they're making money. They're excited about it. They keep making money because then they start bringing on people themselves. They start showing people that, listen, I'm getting money with this without bringing you guys on. So boom. So that's going to bring more attention to it. So their downline is going to build, and their downline is going to build, and your downline is just getting longer and longer. So now you have a company like that. All right, you have a strong downline based off of that foundation. Then you start offering things like Wake Up Now, Motor Club of America, even Empower Network if people are still dealing with that. There's a lot of other companies out there, but I don't feel like strategically those would be the companies that you start with. All right. Now, if you have been doing very well with those companies, so be it, and that is a blessing. All right. That is a blessing. But I still recommend you offer them the opportunity to make some money with DS Domination. Why? Because DS Domination is a very simple tool. All right, it's a very simple tool, and it's extra money. It's a multiple stream of income. That's what it's about. You want to be a six-figure earner. You want to be a seven-figure earner. It's about setting up multiple streams of income. Of course, strategically, you have to do it in a certain manner. All right, but that's what it's basically about. And DS Domination has been a blessing. All right, I've been with Motor Club of America since 2012. That was a blessing for me for the time being, but it was extremely hard. It was hard because although I'm getting these 200% commissions and signing people up left and right. It's just I felt like I was doing too much begging. All right, I had to get people to sign up, and that's the way I was eating. I had to eat. The only way I could eat is by signing people up. Once that came, it had residuals, but the residuals were based on the people I signed up able to do the same thing as me, and that's not easy, all right? Because not everybody is as outgoing. Not everybody flyers or promotions on their Facebook will reach the right people. It was hard. So my residual wasn't coming in like that. They had an extension called Get Weekly Paycheck, where allowed them all to have you them to have these auto response tools and so on and so forth, and by you referring them to that tool, you earn $5 a week. I mean, $5 a month commission residual based off of how many people you refer to that tool, which was good too. But the whole thing is, unless you have a cost offset model like DS Domination it was hard for people to really stay motivated. All right. The thing about DS Domination is that it's rare that somebody actually quits it. Like if you quit it, it's really because you're just not giving it the time of the day. All right, that's the only thing. Because really, if you list 5 to 10 things on eBay a day, which you can only take you about 5 minutes, 5 10 minutes. All right, you can find things wherever your source is at, and boom, quickly list them. Boom, 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 boom. It's copy and pasting. All right, you do that a day. Before you know it, you're getting a whole lot of sales. All right. By the time you start listing things on your first day, depending on the things you listed, you could be making sales immediately. All right. The reason this is best to list to your max, just keep listing, because now you want to see what is selling. All right. And there's more things for people to have a choice from buying from you. All right. So the thing is, eBay is a massive, massive funnel for buyers. All right, there's a lot of customers on eBay. All right, so by you putting things on eBay, you're heightening your opportunity to earn sales because people are on there 24/7 all across the world. All right, all across the world. So it's easy business to be a part of. And plus, the extra thing is you can get money from recruiting. So if you already have a downline, or you already have people who are interested in getting down with whatever you bring to their attention, you earn great commissions for being an affiliate of DS Domination as well. And you don't have to be scared about them quitting because they're not making any money, because they can make money with DS Domination just on the pro side, or just on the elite side, or just on the just on the side of being the e-commerce rather than an affiliate. All right, so that's the main thing, and I just wanted to give that review. I told you some of the cons that I'm personally dealing with right now. It has not stopped me though. I mean, just in a short period of time, that's the only reason I've only earned as much as I've earned, because I have to, you know, try to make sure I got money. I don't have a job, all right? I'm self-employed, okay? I'm not working for anyone else. I'm working for myself. So I have to make sure that I have the budget to uphold or level out the cost for the products that I'm having sent to the buyers on eBay. All right. Once I get past that probation stage, I'm telling you. But just in this short amount pound of time, just in this short period of time that I've been dealing with DS Domination, which is only like 3 weeks now, three weeks and some change, I've already made close to $700, and that's just bang, just really just struggling to deal with, just getting to learn it. That's not bad, all right? If for a person working a job, they might be like, that's nothing, so on and so forth. That's not bad, especially for a business. If you're a business-minded individual, that's not bad. I've got people on my team who've made more than that. All right, just constantly making 8 sales a day. It seems like they constantly making 8 sales a day. All right, and really, it just we're growing. All right, we're growing, and it's about catching the right products and being at the right place at the right time. But it's really no work at all. All right. Like I said, this is Sahir Reeves, just your average guy review. All right. I'm just telling you guys how I see it. This is a great, great, great opportunity to be a part of. And you guys need to get with it. Get with it. All right. Get with it, because this is not something that you should turn up. All right. This is something that is the opportunity that could really get your foot in the door. Get your foot in the door and really have you very happy that you made this choice. I'm very happy I made this choice. I made it immediately. As soon as I found out about it, checked out a few videos, I jumped right in. Why? It was cheap. All right. And plus, I don't play any games when I want something for my future. And this is definitely my second day of being down with DS Domination. I've made sales. My second day. All right, so you guys get with it, man. All the links to everything that's necessary to learn more and watch more videos, and my contact information is right below this video. All right, so you guys get down with this, and for my team, keep succeeding. All right, do not give up. Keep succeeding. I know some of you guys are working your job, and you just feel like it's so much hassle. Like I said, I even offer the opportunity to help list for you. All right, that's how serious it is with me helping my team succeed. All right, so get down with this, guys. This is real big business. All right, and contact me. I'm here for you. Saheed Reeves, DS Domination, baby. Peace.